Hello students, I am Anjali Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to learn Social Science of class 7. In Social Science, we are going to study about the lesson number 2, Role of the Government in Health. Children, today we are discuss about the private healthcare center and that topic was given on the page number 26. Children, in previous video, we are discussed about the public healthcare center. We also observe that there is a low cost are there, medical facilities are given by the government. But today we are discuss the private healthcare center. Children, if you are observe this picture both are the different. First, there is a if you are observe in the right side there is a public healthcare center, and if you are going to the left side there is a private healthcare sector. You observe that some are the modernization are there. We can show that if you are observe in the private healthcare sector, we observe that different type of facilities are also given. If we are going in that healthcare center or the healthcare sector, we pay the so many money because there is a modernizations are there. And if we are observe in the opposite side, there is a public healthcare sector, and we observe that so many peoples are there. It means the government give the facility but there is a low cost. Now they come to the point. Today we are discuss the private healthcare facility. Children, now you imagine that if you are going in the private health healthcare sector, it means you imagine that we are going to the one hospital, and that hospital is a private hospital. What we are observe, we generally observe that there is a different types of equipment are there, so many doctors are there. Not only so many doctors, if we want medicine, that medicine is also available near to the hospital. It means there is a private medical store. Not only that, different type of doctors are also available, and in that hospital so many bed facilities are there. We also discussed that if we are going in the public healthcare sector, that facilities are not available. Sometime doctor is not there, sometime the cleanliness is not there. But if you are going in the private healthcare, there is all the facilities are there. But the main point is what? But in that private healthcare, we are a pay so many money because that private healthcare, they are run by the individual people, and that individual people they work for their own profit. They give the facility, it is a no doubt. They give the all the types of facility. Well prepared doctor is there, nurses are there, bed facilities are there, different type of equipment are also there, specialized doctor is also available in one hospital. But they charge so many cost. It means there is a main feature is that if you are going in the private healthcare, the first you have a getting the facility, but you pay the money. Whatever you are getting facility, you compulsory pay the high cost of that. Now children, there is a one photo is there, there is a private hospital, and if you are observe that so big buildings are there, the parking is also there. And if we are observe that picture, we can easily in our mind the thinking is what? Okay, it means the different type of facilities are available, so many doctors are there. There is a simple observation. Now you are imagine, now we are going in that hospital. We are going in that hospital. What we are observe? We observe that there is this type of equipment are observed. If you are going in the private healthcare, you observe that different type of equipment used by the doctor. The picture is also given, the first picture is also given, second picture. Now observe that Which type of equipments are given? The first, there is a X-ray. If in your body some crack are there and you are not know about that, the doctor they say that please you take the X-ray, then after I will give the instruction. It means the first photo is related the X-ray machine. Then after second is ultrasound machine. Ultrasound machine, it means I give the simple example. If the any pregnancy are there, the woman was the pregnant, and that time the progress of the children, they are you are observed by that machine. You also observe that one picture is also given, and some pictures are there is a little children for photos are there. It means the first picture is the X-ray machine, and the second picture there is a ultrasound machine. That equipment also available in the private care. Then after, we also there also observe that the big laboratories are there. There is a blood test and whatever this different type of disease tests are also in their laboratories are given, and that laboratory is a very huge laboratory. So many doctors, so many nurses, so many ward boy are the working in that hospital. We also observe in the third picture. Now children, we are observe the all the photographs. Now we are going in the detail. Okay, which point we are study in this page number 26, and the topic name is the private healthcare sector. It means we can also say that private healthcare facility. The first point is that owned and the operate by the doctor privately. The first we are already discussed the that hospital they are run by the individual people. Now observe, I give some clues like that. First, the people was the study about the doctor is, and after they are study about the doctor is, they are getting the degree, and after they are getting the degree, first they start the clinic, and that clinic they are run by the one individual doctor, and they after charge so many particular facility. The same happen after some time, that clinic they are converted into hospital, and then hospital the owned and the operated. There is a operated by the doctor privately. It means there no interference of the any government people. After that, rural area registered medical practitioners. It means now in that part we are divided into the two part. First, in we are going in the rural area. In that rural area, some doctor are registered. Registered, it means they are registered, that registered medical practitioner. It means they are a practice and they start the clinic in the rural area, and they also provide the facility to the all the rural people, and after they are giving the facility, they charge the cost. It means ke RMPS, it means the registered medical practitioner. And then after we are going to the urban area. Urban area, it means we all are know about that there is a city area, and if you are going in city area, the hospitals are available. If you are going in rural area, there is a some uh, clinic are available. But if you are going into the urban area, it means the cities area, smart cities area, there is a huge hospitals are there. And we are also discuss about that if you are going in hospital, the so many specialized doctor are also available, nurses are there. It means the urban area the large number of doctors are available. Not only that, we are also discuss about in that hospital different types of machinery. It means के equipment are also available, and that equipment is a modern technological equipment like a X-ray. We are also see that again there is a X-ray machine, there is a ultrasound machine. Then after the different type of laboratories are there. It means there is a available in the one hospital. It is not available only that, there is a modern technological instrument. It means the modern technological equipment. But if we are going in hospital, the medical medical shop is also available, but that medical shop is the private medical shop. You can also observe that there is a picture is also given. If you are going in hospital, and after the below the building, the medical shop are also available. The doctor is prescribe some medicine, and then after you are available in that medical shop. Then after, patient have to pay the lot of money, but one loss, one limitations are there. And what the limitations are there? There is a patient have to pay lot of money. If you are going in the private hospital, you must be you have a money. If you have a not money, it means you are not getting the facilities. It means the if you are as a patient, you are admitted in private hospital, you must be charged so many costs, because they give the so good facilities are there. If you are a if you are a think about that we are getting so a good facility, it means you are a pay the more money. Then after, private facility can be seen all around. Nowadays the situation is what this, if we are observe that in our city only the 2 3 public centers are available, and the most of the hospital and clinic they are a private. Why they are a private? Because the one barrier of the public service sector, there is a one problem is there: doctor is not available on time, cleanliness are not available. If your emergency situations are there, that time we are stay for 2 3 4 hours, and that is a barrier. And the people are not many times the, if the people are not getting the particular treatment, they are dead that time. And after, they are showing so many barriers. After that, if you are going in private healthcare sector, we all the facilities are available. We are not waiting for the doctor. We are not waiting, we are not observe the uh, dirty. It means that all the area are the very cleanliness, so many cleanliness are there, and bed facilities are available. It means that because of that, some particular reasons are there, the private facility can be seen in all around that. Because the human being want only the health, they want that the health is a must. And after that, medical shop are found in the every corner of the country. And nowadays the medical shop are also available, not only the hospital building. If you are going in others other area, there is a medical facilities are also, medical shop are also available, but that medical shop is a private. Okay, it means that you are we are discuss about the private health service. In that private health service, we are also know about that we are paid so many monies, different type of doctors are available, modern technology they are used, and because of that we are paid so many money. It means, hope you are enjoy this video. In next video we are learn the next point, that page number 27. Thank you.